If you're out on the road,
I'm gonna cry now.
feeling lonely and so called, all you have to do is remember to call my name. And I'll be there on the next train.
I know that we can be alone together in a one-bedroom apartment for months on end and not only not kill each other, but somehow like being together even more.
Even though this day is nothing like we expected, it is still going to be the best day of my life. I get to marry my best friend. I get to marry my best friend in our favorite place.
Marriage. Marriage is what brings us together today.